Hi, welcome to the Let's Design channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this exercise, and its name is guide link. This is the dimension for this part. Let's make a modeling part now. From this Solidworks interface, let's start from front plane and make it normal too. For the next, click the circle, then start from this point. Then set the diameter value to 30 mm. Then make the smaller one and set the value to 17.5 mm. Then let's click the circle, and I want to put anywhere like this place, and I want to change the diameter value to 30 mm. Then make the smaller one, and it is 11.5 mm. Okay, zoom out. Then I want to make the distance for this center for this circle, and it is 55 mm. For the horizontal distance, and it is 30 mm. Then I want to connect for the sketch. Just length the line and make it meet for the other. Then click Trim Entities to delete the unnecessary line. Then click the from the sketch, click sketch the fillets, then click to this point and make it 5 mm for the radius series fillet. For the next step, click a feathers, then click extrude wash. Then click to this to all the sketch and make sure there are 10 mm for the value in this dialog box, and I want to make it to this arrow, then click OK. For the next step, click this toggle and click the sketch and click extrude boss, and then click to this and make it 3mm, then OK. Click to this surface, then click the sketch, and then click to this toggle, click the sketch, and select to this sketch, press and hold the control button, then click convert entities. The sketch will in this surface, then click a feathers, then click extrude boss. Select to this sketch and make sure 3mm to boss extrude. Okay, click the Ctrl 7 to make it the asymmetric view. Then click to the surface. Then make it a normal to. For select to this surface, then click the sketch. Make it normal to by click Ctrl 8. Click once more. And click to this toggle from this square and select the corner rectangle. Then start from this point. Click the smart dimension. Change this white to 10mm. For this height, to 55mm, then OK. Click the feathers, then extrude boss. Set the value to 31.5mm, then OK. Click the surface and make it a normal to. Then click the sketch and click a line, change to for construction, then click from this point, right click and select, click the circle, and I want to make the circle has the diameter value 25mm, then OK. Click this circle, press and hold the control button, then click to this sides, then click tangen. Make the same way, press and hold the control button, then click this circle and the sides and make it tangent to. For the next step, let's make the smaller circle and change the diameter to 10.5 millimeter. Then OK. For the next step, click the line click this point until to this point, right click and click select. For the next step, click on mirror entities, mirror about this guideline and click the entities to mirror for this one. Then OK. Next, click the line and connect dash circle. Right click and click select and make it to this 1, 2. Right click and select. And then click on mirrors, then extrude. Set the thickness to 3 mm in this dialog box. Then click to this one. Sketch. Then OK. For the next step, click this toggle and click the sketch. Then click the extrude cut. Click to this sketch and select to this 1, 2. Drag the arrow, then OK. Make the isometric view by click the Ctrl 7. Then I want to add the fillet by click the fillet and set the value to 3 mm. Then click to the edge. OK. Then click to this surface. Click on normal 2. Then click the sketch. Click a circle. Then start from this point and just make it click the line and make it for construction and start from the mid from this point, this position, and click the smart dimension. I'm sorry, click the and make it 6 mm. Then I want to click the circle and it is to make the drill hole. Click to this one position and set the diameter value to 3.2 mm. then OK, and then click the feathers, then click the extrude cut. Select to this cut. OK, let's see the yellow preview, then OK. Okay, the hollow is made. Click the Ctrl 7 to make it asymmetric view. For the finishing, let's click this edit appearance. For this part, I want to make it yellow. Then for like this color, I want to make it white or black. Okay, and then click this appearance. Then I want to select to this color, then OK. Change to the isometric view. Wow. Okay, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel, and see you next time.